How to create public profile on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your public profile on your Snapchat in Android and iPhone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Snapchat app and now here first tap on your profile in the top left corner. And here if you scroll down, there is no option to create a public profile. So for you also, if there is no option to create a public profile, tap on your settings in the top right corner, scroll down, and here under privacy control, tap on contact me and select everyone. Go back and in view my story, select everyone. Go back and here see my location, open see my location and turn off ghost mode and tap on enable location, and you can tap on while using the app or only this time. Now go back and here you will see the public profile option is enabled. So now to create a public profile, tap on it and here in the bottom tap on continue and again and tap on get started and tap on create. Now wait for it. Now your public profile is created, so tap on it to open it, and this is how your public profile. You can add a cover photo here. If you tap here, you can add a cover photo from your gallery, and here if you tap on these three dots in the top right, here you can edit your profile, save a story to your profile, share profile, and etc. So this is how and you can also edit your profile. Here if you tap on it, you can edit profile, can preview profile, and so this is how you can create public profile on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.